In this video, we're going to be talking about the N200 5G's Android 12 update. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. As you guys know, the N200 5G did come out last year. This is a pretty old phone, I guess, but we're getting Android 12 on this, so this is awesome. As you guys can see, it says installation pause. This is just a screenshot of the installation, and I'm going to show you what Android 12 looks like on this phone right after we go ahead and read some of this information. So it says new version, and then it gives you the number or the serial number or whatever of it. It says a new software update is available for your Android smartphone. This release includes the following: Android operating system upgrade to Oxygen 12/Android S. And Android security patch upgraded to May 2022. Now, some of you may have already updated your phone. If you have, then this is not for you. But it says if you choose not to do so now, the update will take place automatically between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m. starting July 2nd, 2022. Data rates may apply. Please do not turn off your device while the update is installing. During installation, you cannot use your device at all, even to dial 911. So that's just a heads up for you guys out there that are going to download this update. Another heads up is you may have to free up some space because this is a huge update at 3.9 gigabytes, almost 4 gigabytes right here. So definitely free up some space on your phone so you guys can go ahead and take advantage of the Android 12 update. Also, make sure your battery is at an adequate amount. I would definitely recommend having your battery at like 40-50% before even starting this update, because it's going to take a little bit of time, probably like 10-15 minutes when everything's said and done. So I would definitely have your battery at least charge up to 50%, to be quite honest. But getting out of this screenshot right here, I just want to show you how this looks. Now, we did get some new wallpapers. The previous wallpaper that I had on this was just the base wallpaper that was on here. So it gives you a new wallpaper. It kind of looks different. Honestly, as you guys can see, I'm not sure if it has sped up. We're going to figure that out later on. After a week of using this, we're going to go into a full review and pretty much talk about it later on. But we have the same stuff we had before. We have the My Metro, or we can go ahead and look at our Google News right there and stuff. Going through our applications, the other thing that I saw right here, which was pretty cool, is we have separate drop down menus now. So on the left side, if we drop down this menu, we're going to get all of the stuff that's in our privacy shade right here, all of the notifications that we have and things of that nature. And on the right side, if we pull down the right side, it's going to give us another little widget type of thing, little drop down menu. So this is going to show you all of your different types of widgets. And the cool thing about this is you can go ahead and drag these around and kind of put them in different places on this little widget board thing. But we also have our calculator right here. You can add other applications to this as well. You guys can go ahead and customize that. Also, it shows you your steps for the day. These are not my steps. This is not my main device. But you have your pedometer right there to actually go ahead and show you how many steps you took today, which is nice to see. Obviously, we have our Spotify. We have our new note thing right there. And I think we're going to add other applications and things to this little drop down bar menu. But that is all I have noticed so far after downloading the update. I'm going to make a whole other video if you guys would like me to on everything that has changed, but it's looking good so far. It looks like it's running decent. But yeah, guys, hopefully this video did inform you on the new Android 12 update for this phone. And if you guys haven't updated this yet, all you have to do is go to settings. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then we're going to click on about device. Then we're going to click on this little up to date thing right here and check it for an update. And if it says you guys are already up to date, it will show you right here, and it shows you we are up to date, Android version 12. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.